Hey guys, this is Richie from photobooth.doctor.com, and today I'm going to talk about how to recover your sample mirror booth V event. That's the event that has all the cool little videos, the animations, like the touch here to start, blow me a kiss, all those good business. Alright, and so first things first, you're just going to go to any other sample events. It could be sample beach theme or the green screen event, it does not matter. And then you're going to click up here to open up this pop-up menu, and then go to screens. And then from screens, you're going to click on where it says choose. And then you're going to click on where it says mirror V right here. Then press choose again on the bottom. And then press new event. And so now as you see, it created a new event called mirror V. All the settings from the sample mirror theme, sample mirror event, my bad, will be back to default. And if I start the booth, it should have all the videos. There it is. So we've now recovered our sample mirror booth V event. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments below, and hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.